Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Om TV over your laptop, right? So I'm going to show you each and everything and it will be a full guide, so make sure you watch this video very carefully. First of all, you have to just open any of the browser, and once you do that, just go to the Google or any of the search engine, right? And here you have to just type Om TV, right? Once you type here Om TV, you will get the first link, which is, you can see this official. Don't click any other link here, just go to this om.tv, right? Once you click this, it will get open, right? And once you open this, it will ask you to log in, right? So without login, you will won't be able to use Om TV, right? So on the right side, you will see these two options. The first option says continue with Facebook, and the another one is continue with VK. So depending upon your preference, you can use any of the account. So for example, I will just use Facebook here. I will click on this. Once I click on this, you can see that I've got login, and it will ask your access. So just enter your Facebook email address and password and you will able to use it, right? And after that, you just click on the start, and here it says that my camera is not on. So just go here and make sure you allow it. Once you allow it, right, I will refresh this and I will just click on start, and people will start to show here, right? You can just see, right? So it's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful.